Are you ready to bring nature to life through vibrant, expressive art? Join artist Alejandra Caballero in her course, Artistic Gouache Painting, Animals and Plant Life, and master the basics of gouache painting while creating stunning animal portraits complemented by botanical elements. What will you learn? Alejandra will guide you through the entire artistic process, starting with the fundamentals of gouache. You'll learn to find inspiration in nature, create mood boards, and simplify forms to design animal portraits. By exploring color theory, sketching techniques, and the layering process, you'll develop your own personal style and bring your creations to life with depth and vibrancy. What's the project? Your final project will be a unique animal portrait combined with botanical elements, showcasing your ability to blend technique with creativity. You'll work step by step, from sketching to applying layers of paint and refining details for a striking final piece. Who is this course for? This course is perfect for beginners eager to explore gouache painting and for experienced artists seeking inspiration in animal and plant illustration. No prior knowledge is required, just basic materials and a passion for painting and experimenting with new techniques. What will you need? You'll need gouache paints, watercolor paper, brushes, and basic drawing tools. Optional items like a lightbox or Photoshop can enhance your process, but they're not necessary to get started. Why learn from Alejandra? Alejandra Caballero is a self-taught artist whose work combines animals, nature, and bold colors. Her art has been featured in renowned galleries such as Nucleus Portland and Wow X Wow, as well as in various book illustrations and commissions. With her passion for gouache, Alejandra offers you the tools to create meaningful, captivating works of art. What to expect from this course? Learn at your own pace. Watch high-quality videos as often as you like with lifetime access. Connect with a global community, share ideas, ask questions, and gain feedback from other passionate students. Certificate included. As a Domestika Plus member, you'll receive a signed certificate upon completion. Ready to create your masterpiece? Enroll today and start your journey into the enchanting world of gouache painting. Don't miss the special discount. Sign up now and unleash your creativity.